Lesson: Legal recognition of smart contracts. The legal recognition of smart contracts is an evolving field, intricately linked to the broader adoption of blockchain technologies. Smart contracts, essentially self-executing codes with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code, offer a transformative approach to contractual relationships. Their emergence challenges conventional legal frameworks, necessitating an understanding of how they fit within existing legal systems and how they can be effectively integrated into legal and business practices. Smart contracts operate on blockchain technology, which provides a decentralized, immutable ledger that ensures transparency and trust without the need for intermediaries. This characteristic allows smart contracts to automatically enforce agreements once predetermined conditions are met. Such automation can significantly reduce costs and increase efficiency, making smart contracts an attractive alternative to traditional contracts. However, the legal recognition of smart contracts is contingent on their ability to meet the requirements of a valid contract under existing legal systems, which typically include offer, acceptance, consideration, and the intention to create legal relations. One of the primary challenges in recognizing smart contracts legally is ensuring that they fulfill these traditional contract elements. Offer and acceptance can be demonstrated through the deployment and interaction with the smart contract code. However, consideration and the intention to create legal relations require a more nuanced approach. Legal systems must ascertain whether the parties intended the code to constitute a binding legal agreement. The imprecision of code compared to natural language contracts can lead to disputes, particularly if the code fails to account for unforeseen circumstances or if it executes in an unintended manner. To address these challenges, legal frameworks are gradually adapting. In the United States, for example, the Uniform Electronic Transactions Act and the Electronic Signatures in Global and National Commerce Act provide a basis for recognizing electronic records and signatures, potentially encompassing smart contracts. These acts assert that electronic signatures and records cannot be denied legal effect solely because they are in electronic form, a principle that can support the legal recognition of smart contracts. Beyond existing legislation, the development of new legal frameworks specifically for smart contracts is underway. The state of Arizona, for instance, has enacted legislation explicitly recognizing the validity of smart contracts and blockchain signatures. Such legislative initiatives are crucial for providing legal certainty and encouraging the adoption of smart contracts across various sectors. Practical tools and frameworks are essential for professionals seeking to implement smart contracts within a legally compliant framework. One such tool is the use of standardized smart contract templates, which can help ensure that all necessary legal elements are addressed within the code. Platforms like OpenLaw and Clause offer frameworks for creating legally binding smart contracts by integrating legal language with smart contract code. These platforms facilitate the translation of legal agreements into code, bridging the gap between traditional legal documents and smart contracts. Furthermore, the implementation of smart contract audits is a critical step in ensuring legal compliance and reducing risks. Audits can help identify vulnerabilities in the code and ensure that the contract accurately reflects the parties' intentions. Engaging with legal professionals and blockchain experts during the development and deployment of smart contracts can enhance their reliability and enforceability. Case studies offer valuable insights into the practical application of smart contracts and their legal implications. The Dow incident in 2016 is a notable example where a vulnerability in a smart contract led to a significant financial loss. This highlighted the importance of thorough code audits and the need for mechanisms to address unforeseen issues. It also underscored the necessity for legal frameworks that can accommodate the unique characteristics of smart contracts while providing remedies for errors and disputes. Statistics indicate that the adoption of smart contracts is steadily increasing. A report by Gartner predicts that by 2023, smart contracts will be used in more than 25% of global organizations. This growth underscores the urgency for legal systems to adapt and provide clear guidelines for their use. As more businesses integrate smart contracts into their operations, the demand for professionals skilled in blockchain governance and compliance will rise, emphasizing the importance of understanding their legal and contractual dimensions. In addressing real-world challenges, professionals can leverage a step-by-step approach to integrating smart contracts within their organizations. First, it is crucial to conduct a comprehensive needs assessment to determine where smart contracts can offer the most value. Identifying processes that are repetitive, require high levels of trust, or involve multiple intermediaries can help pinpoint areas for smart contract application. Second, collaborating with legal experts to ensure that the smart contract code accurately reflects the intended legal agreement is vital. This collaboration can involve drafting hybrid contracts that combine traditional legal language with code, ensuring that both legal and technical aspects are adequately addressed. Third, implementing robust security measures, including code audits and regular testing, can mitigate risks associated with smart contract vulnerabilities. Engaging with third-party auditors and utilizing automated testing tools can enhance the security and reliability of smart contracts. Fourth, developing a dispute resolution mechanism is crucial for addressing potential issues arising from smart contract execution. This can involve specifying arbitration processes or integrating mechanisms within the contract code to handle exceptions and unforeseen circumstances. Finally, continuous monitoring and evaluation of smart contract performance can help identify areas for improvement and ensure ongoing compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Regular updates and maintenance of the contract code in collaboration with legal and technical teams can address evolving needs and changes in the legal landscape. The legal recognition of smart contracts is a dynamic field that requires ongoing adaptation and innovation. By understanding the legal and contractual dimensions of blockchain, professionals can effectively navigate the challenges and opportunities presented by smart contracts. Employing practical tools, frameworks, and a structured approach can enhance the reliability, security, and legal compliance of smart contracts, paving the way for their broader adoption and integration into various sectors.